down. He's falling to the ground. Final battle leaves him bound. In the revelation. You know what? Check this out. The beasts and kings of the earth came together to war against the Lord, who sits on the throne. With the mighty sword of the Lord, they were defeated, trouble no more, and the angels by his side. The enemy could not hide. By the power of his hand, he defeated Satan's plan, just as it was said in the book of Revelation. Oh yeah. Revelation says that dedication brings that transformation to the holy nation of God. Revelation. Revelation says that dedication brings that transformation to the holy nation of God. You know, it's a revelation. Hey, revelation. Talking about revelation. You know, it's a revelation. Revelation. I'm talking about revelation. Oh Lord, you know, it's a revelation. I heard as he coming down, the Lord said,